So time to show you how to turn a dried gourd into a nice little bowl. So start by getting a big dried gourd that'd be a good size for a bowl, and take some sandpaper and rub off the dried skin. Then give it a coating of paint, your chosen color. I didn't do the top part because what you want to do is cut out a circle so the top part won't be seen anyway. So I recommend using a Dremel for this. If you can't do this freehand, then draw yourself a circle first, but just go all the way around, cutting out a circle, and then pull off the top. It'll be kind of stuck with the dried guts, but once you get it off, there'll be a big hunk of dried guts, and you can just pull that out. You may have to break it into pieces to fit it out through the hole, but it should pop right out. And then take some sandpaper and sand off the inside of the gourd. This is why I painted first, because I didn't want paint on the inside of the bowl. Then just rub off all the dust from working on it. So then I took some puffy paint and I just puffy painted on a little southwestern lizard kind of guy. This is one that I designed that I do a lot. I did a lamp with this, I do it as a tattoo a lot, but you can do whatever design you want. So there's my little lizard, and then I took some yellow puffy paint and I went around the rim all the way around with a line of that, and then I went over above that with some red puffy paint to give it kind of a double colored rim all the way around. And so there's my little bowl. You can use it to store stuff in. In my case, how about some CDs featuring the Lizard King himself?